So what's up? What's going on, guys? J.A. In today's video, we got an early Yeezy unboxing. Today's video is brought to you guys by the Wanted app, which is my go-to app for everything sneaker related. You guys already know the first thing I do when I get a new pair of shoes, I take a picture of the box and scan them into my digital closet. That way I can keep track of everything in my collection. So not only does Wanted have release dates, sneaker news, but I actually managed to cop these Yeezys off Wanted app rather than downloading different reselling platforms. Wanted conveniently puts them all in one, ensuring I get the lowest available price. So if you guys are interested in checking out the Wanted app, I got a link in the description. It's totally free to download, and stay tuned till later in the video. We're giving away a free pair of Foam Runner Vermilion, so stay tuned to find out about that soon, guys. So let's get straight into this unboxing. This will be the third Yeezy 450 colorway to date. You guys already know the 450 debuted this year with the cloud white, followed it up with the dark slate. And to me, the 450 is one of the best new Yeezy silhouettes on the market. Definitely a huge fan, so excited to check this pair out. So if you guys have never had a pair of 450s, you see the crazy little box these joints come in? Super dope, right? So you got 450, you got my size 11, the Resin. Now, when it comes to sizing, these do run small, so you definitely want to half size up. Now, if you guys have wider feet, some suggest to full size up. So we'll go ahead and see. Now, when it comes to this pair, I feel like the #1 question is, what does the green color actually look like? Because with Resin, some mock-up photos showed it to be more in the yellow realm, while others showed it to be in more of like a green realm. So, you know, lighting can play tricks. So let's go ahead and check these joints out. We're gonna throw them on feet and see if these are a must-have for the collection. Yes, sir. So definitely that light green. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, these joints are a little bit darker than I even thought. But in hand, they do have a nice contrast when comparing them to the cloud white. Let's go ahead and look at those next to each other. So here's the OG pair. You got the cloud white next to the Resin. And then of course, you got the dark slate. So here you have the 3 450 colorways all next to each other. So without further ado, let's throw these joints on feet. That's the real test, right? These shoes aren't made to be just sitting on the shelf. Wear your sneakers, people. So the 450, in my opinion, it's like the successor, obviously, to the 350. So you have that sock-like upper infused with this crazy futuristic sole that just like engulfs the whole shoe. So I'm a huge fan of these. So let's see, is this color necessary? Do these on with a pair of cargos. You guys can find these at Minimal LA. Use my discount code John Alexander 10, or you can pay full price. So you guys already know, does the on foot look change your perspective of this colorway or this model in any way? Personally, I'm really digging these on feet. I'm a fan of these. Although I do already have the 2 other colorways, I feel like I'm still gonna add these joints to the collection. I mean, if you guys are curious about buying these, like, and you already own the cloud white, then you may say this is a pass. But for me, like, the sulfur green colorway, you know, does enough, you know, to separate itself from this version right here. Like, the green gives you a little more to play with, like a different color to work with. And to me, like, these joints right here, just, I ain't gonna lie, I wore these like less than 5 times, and just when you throw these on feet, they immediately get dusty, and I just don't like the way they look, you know, when once they get a little dirty. On the other hand, the dark slate. Wore these many of times, and in my opinion, this is one of the best Yeezy releases of the year. So in the case of the resin, I feel like these joints right here are one that you could just throw on and not really worry about messing up, like the Cloud White. The 450 is honestly, it's like the successor to the 350. Like, I no longer really rock 350s having these in hand. So let me know what you guys think. Honestly, like the tonal colors definitely remind me of like the early 350 Yeezy vibes. You guys remember how those were mostly all just one solid color. So this definitely is reminiscent of this, and I'm a fan, and I feel like this is a must-have for my collection. So these are dropping Friday, December the 17th, retail, $200. Let me know if you guys are picking these up or not. Also, the Wanted app just started their new Discord group, and they are currently running a free giveaway. If you guys are interested in a free pair of the Yeezy Foam Runner Vermilion, check out the link in the description for the Wanted Discord. Make sure you guys lock in with a Discord group if you want to stay up to date, like with sneaker news, updates, and just make your life a little easier being a part of a community. Come holler at me, say what's up on the Wanted Discord, and enter the free giveaway. Your chances are really good. Right now, as we speak, I think there's like less than 50 people that have entered. So your odds of winning this pair are really good. So make sure you guys check out the link. And again, let me know what you think about this upcoming Yeezy release. Are y'all feeling these or not? Also, along with this release, they are restocking the dark slate. So which pair are you guys going for? I feel like if you can only pick one, gotta go with the dark slate, but the resin is definitely an essential Yeezy that I'll personally be adding to my collection. So salute to everybody for tuning in for today's video. I'm JA. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.